workout for y'all. I do have music on, so this video will not get monetized. So if you do like my videos and like supporting me, please drop a super thanks down below just to help me out and keep making these videos for y'all. Otherwise, just liking the video, commenting your favorite part of the video, and sharing this with others will help. I'm not going to do too much commentary on this video. I'm just going to lift. I'll talk a little bit. A lot of it's just going to be you hearing me breathing, seeing me do stuff with my body. So here we go. Do back squats today. Starting out heavy single, and then move into some, what's the word? Slant forward squats. Yes. Thinking 235. I'm gonna try 245. We're gonna do two plates. 5 pounds on each side. First lift. Let's see how this goes. If I bump my mic at all, apologize again. Right on my chest. Kind of hard to control those things, but see how we go here. All right. Oh yeah. Those of you who are new to, I do work out most of my workouts barefoot because I like keeping my feet and ankle muscles as strong as possible. Let's see how this goes. About this. Yeah, what can we do after this? Most exercises. Oh, up into smithereens for you. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, that felt really good. I was thinking about going up to 245 to start this for a pause back squat, but when you don't warm up, you're just going off intuition. Easier said than done. So I definitely could go 245 in the future. I think I'm gonna do some core twists here, pull off press hold. Super set. I'm gonna do 225 again and then drop it down. 225, try to maybe get a double, at least a single. Actually, let's do one more single, 225 with pause. Taking off 5. I like this song, but it's all AJR, and I don't want to listen to just them. I don't think I'm on. Yeah, I'm not on shuffle. There we go. Oh, here's Kanye West. Shout out to coffee, best pre-workout on the planet. Shot I'm going home again. Do you think about me now and then? Do you think about me now and then? Get 2. Perfect. It's moving good. I probably could have done a double, but I can lift for the rest of my life. So guess what? It'll double next time. do you think about me now? Did pull-ups the other day. Did rows. Take this off now. What are we thinking, peoples? 185 for 5 on pause squat. 185 for 3 to 5. I think that sounds reasonable. Let's do it. 185, thinking 3 here. 3's good, go 4. 4's good, go 5. And then after that, we'll do our last set of those core twists. From that to, and do some face pulls for my rear delts, biceps, upper trapezius. Gang. Okay. How's my charger looking? We're gonna put my phone on my charger here. Good thing about home gyms. Get your charger everywhere. You can move your equipment anywhere. And you ain't gotta worry about nothing. Michigan. We're gonna skip this one. Next one. Ooh, Alan Walker. This guy. Okay, thinking 3, maybe 5. See how my body does. Definitely 2 more. Oh yeah. 3-second pause here. Beautiful. Okay. So the thing about this too, I transitioned to the slant board. Once I hit 135 pounds, slant board only has a max weight of 300 pounds. I weigh about 170, so just so I don't break that thing, that's kind of my metric. I'm gonna go from 185 to 165. I'll be plate 15 on each side, and we're just gonna rep it out. We're not gonna do pause to get some volume, and then we'll go down to slant board. And we're gonna do side bends over there on the Roman chair hyperextension. After we do that, Midwest today, guys. Freaking crazy snow. It's like over a foot of snow outside today. All the gyms are closed early, but guess what? Log Dogs is open 24/7. Okay, so we need to take this off. And then we'll get my bumper plate. And I said we were gonna do face pulls too. We'll still do face pulls. We'll do face pulls and side bends. Actually, maybe we'll just do side bends. Face pulls after. Okay, this one's gonna be for reps. Yeah, I don't know how many reps. I don't really care. Just trying to get a burn in my legs. I'm guessing somewhat between 7 to 12. Just based off of my body, my strength, and muscular endurance. Nexting this song. Black Eyed Peas, Where's the Love? I think that's fitting. Go with that. All right, repping and dipping it. One more. 9, I believe. Yeah. Cool. All right. Side bends it is. That's one I really like. Lower back health. Knees over toes guy. One of the big advocates for this one. Really, really good for any field athlete. Bending over quite a bit. I think I got this in the shot with the camera. Hopefully. I don't do this with any weight. I haven't been recently, actually. Used to. But really just focusing on getting a deep stretch to the side of my obliques here. All the way back up. Oh, really push that range of motion. All right. Turn the cheek, Father. Okay, good. All right. Bring the slant board over now because take off the 215s. Move into a little more focused on knee, tendon, and ligament strength health here. Slant board puts your knees in a slightly more forward position, changing the force curve of the exercise to be more focused on your knee muscles and connective tissue. My knees used to be a huge weak point, and thanks to Knees Over Toes guy for kind of demystifying this idea of knees over toes being bad. A lot of people, including myself, are becoming huge advocates for doing this type of stuff. I don't follow his program exactly. I take a lot of parts of it, kind of tweak it to something that works for my goals, what I enjoy. Got the slant board up just one rung from normal. This is 135. Don't know how many reps. Really just go for trying to get good upright torso posture, feeling the burn. Like, oh, we were gonna do face pulls. Haha, almost forgot. Shoulder health here. Kinked. Okay, yeah, good. Good. That's good. No, wait, no, all right. 135. Pause at the bottom. Only 6. Yep. Yeah. RPE 8.5 out of 10. That's how hard it was. All right. On 2. Double check and make sure we're good. Oh yeah. Basically all my assistance exercises, anything that's not my main movement of the day, like deadlift, squats, clean jerks, or snatches, I just do 3 sets of however many reps until I feel a burn. Obviously, if I'm doing it body weight, it's going to be more reps. If I'm doing it with weight, it's going to be less reps. If I'm doing it slower, it's going to be less reps. I don't really care about anything, just how hard it feels. And if it feels like the muscle's working a little bit, once I start to feel that muscle burn, usually cut it after one more rep. Right here, start to feel a burn, and do one more. Probably do 2, but there we go. I really don't like this song too much. Here's why I still have it on my playlist. It's kind of catchy. I did like it, but not so much anymore. Do 2 more. Well, actually, ooh, should I just bump down? I think I'm gonna just bump down to the bar here and just do 45. Just the bar for AMRAP and bump up the slant on the slant board. One more time. No. Torn. I think I'm gonna do 25. Oh, my thing went off. My light went off. It's interesting. It's back. Maybe this goes off after a certain time. Interesting. I'm gonna have to look into that. Keep an eye on it. Make sure we're going. Thankfully, lighting's not amazing down here, but ain't the worst. Y'all can see me. And thankfully nowadays with iPhone cameras, quality is much better. I film all my videos on my 2 iPhones I have. I have a 13 Pro I just bought for filming recently, and I got a 14 regular that I film if I'm in a pinch and don't have my filming one. But guys, if you're just starting out as a filmer or creator, your iPhone is seriously such a hack. And you can make pretty top-notch quality, especially if you get a decent mic. Like my wireless one I got was like 30 bucks. I bought this little lighting setup, 30 bucks. You can have videos 70% quality wise from the people who got the really good cameras. If you're just starting out, you don't even need all that fancy stuff anyway. All right. We're gonna keep slant where it was. One more set of this. Did I do? I don't think I did. One of these. It's your rear delt work. Want to to be the whole crown. Okay. Got 6 there. Let's see about this. I think 9 is reasonable, but see how my knees and body respond to this. Hardest part about those, you don't feel tired, but your knees get so much more tired so much faster than normal squats. So you got to cut it before you even feel like you're ready, because knees literally can't handle it. One more. I think this is 10. That feels really good. Really good. After this, doing finishing with 4 of my accessories. Today we're doing ankle calf health and rotator cuff slash shoulder girdle health day. Those two I usually combine. My other accessory day, I usually just do knee front and back health, elbow front and back health. And then I have another day where I do neck and wrist. Those are kind of my combos when I do assistance stuff, which is at the end of my workouts, which after this set of squats, we will get to. Very nice, very good, very good. All right. Ooh, I'm digging this song. This is Linkin Park, Waiting for the End. I've been listening to this one a lot recently. All right, bump up the slant here. And this is not the beginning. Let's see, 15 reps. 15 is kind of my landmark when I'm going to try to hit, but always possibility of getting less. Once again, we'll see how my knees and body feel. Already starting to feel really good burn at 7. Okay, yep. 12. Okay. Holy fudge balls. So what was I saying? 15? Got 12. I'm not shocked. All right, cool. So move on to calf here. Do calf, rotator cuff. We're gonna use my small dumbbells here. Actually, no, we're gonna use red band. Hands up, band pull aparts. Trying to forget the past. This was never meant to last. Kind of show you from an angle here. We'll do straight leg today. I haven't done straight leg in a while. Front legs in front. Full range of motion. Stretch. Leaning forward a tiny bit so I feel that stretch. Might need to take my socks off here. Sliding. Okay, yes. After this set, take my socks off for this. Just so I don't slide around. Guess what? Since I'm at my home gym, can't get thrown out of my gym for not wearing shoes and socks. I think gyms are getting progressive nowadays, where if you do go barefoot in the gym, you're not going to get yelled at as much because people realize the importance of feet and ankle health. It wasn't always like that. And I go to the doctor next month. I think I'm going to see if they can give me a prescription or doctor's note that I can warm up barefoot at any public gym I go to, just because I'm a butthole. But I care about my body. And those little things really do go a long way. Rotator cuff exercise here. Just high repetitions until we feel a burn. To what I have, it's go. Yeah. All right. Just banging back and forth between these two. Okay. Straight leg. Doing right calf first. Interesting thing. I'm right-footed, but I tweaked I'd say a nerve in my right Achilles tendon freshman year of college. So it's always been a little bit weaker. Like I can't jump as high with my right foot. So it's something I've had to consciously be aware of because I always felt like I was better off my right foot. But since that injury, it's not really the case. My left foot's actually a little bit stronger when it comes to plantar flexion or calf raises, this movement I'm doing right now. But it's never felt that way because it's a little more immobile. So my left leg, my left body, side of my body is actually entirely not as mobile. It doesn't have as good as mobility, but it's a lot stronger than my right side. My right side's got a lot more mobility. It's not as strong though. And a lot of you may notice that for yourselves. Mic stolen? If you haven't noticed by yet, I got my rabbit here. He never comes in the gym area, but I got a little caged off area. It's connected to my room downstairs in the basement. And he joined us today. I think it was meant to be. He kind of actually inspired me to film this video because I knew I'd be able to talk about him. Rabbits are one of the best pets ever, actually, too. Side note. They're like a cat that doesn't make any noise because they actually poop in a litter box. Like he literally has a litter box where I'd say he gets about 95% of his poops in there. Yeah, I only find a couple of them on the ground every once in a while, but their poops are so dry. They don't like sit and get nasty. They don't even smell. Is he asleep right now? Man, this is the best rabbit ever. He's literally asleep right now in the gym. I got music on and I'm talking, y'all. He don't care at all. Oh, his name's Leo, for anyone wondering. Leonardo. Yeah. Okay, last set of these, and then go on to our last set of movements. So worked the back of our calves, back of our ankles, I should say, our calf muscles. Now we're gonna work our tibialis anterior, or the front. All right, put this down. Got 2 5-pound weights. We're just gonna use these. All right, first one here. I call this the king of postural correction exercises. If you get a Roman's chair at the gym, this thing is super, super handy. I basically get in this thing like I'm gonna do an isometric back extension hold, but then you add your the T into the. Oh, I need to move this. You add the T into this with your arms, kind of like a Y, and it's basically like just ooh yeah, hold that top position. Oh, this really burns my left lower trapezius because it's so weak. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that gets a lot firing. Feels good though. What is this song? I don't recall this. Oh. I actually. Ooh, I like this one. I got a record player. I'm looking for a specific song in here. I got a record player. Huh. Honestly, don't remember it. But if I do, pull it up. Okay. Toe raises here. Use it on the Wake up. Nope. Toe raises. So I'm just leaning back on here. I like using the slant board because I get more intense stretch. Actually, we're gonna go lean on this thing. Yeah. Utilize that. Doing it on this decline, just got a little more range of motion at the bottom. Not much, but every little bit makes a difference when you're bodybuilding and working those different angles. If you have neuropathy or this is painful for your feet, obviously wear shoes. Don't have to be a martyr here. Just trying to get my feet and ankles a little bit tougher in this whole process. Na, 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 na. Yes, and yes, come. Oh my gosh. It's so deceivingly hard. Exercise gets me just about as out of breath as all these other ones. So I'm climbing in the trees. That was a record player by Daisy the Great and AJR. No, no, no. Not feeling this. Ooh, Take on Me. Classic. See, this just shows anyone who's older than, say, 35, 40. Yes, I still enjoy listening to some older music. Take on Me. I played this song on Dance Dance Revolution in summer camp when I was younger, and I digged it. Still can't dance for crap, but I can appreciate the people who dance for crap to this song. Oh, I'm in a trance, guys. Did that one earlier. It's about to do some more side bends. Last set here. Really good for shoulder mobility, hip health, upper back, strength and pain relief. Oh, yeah. We'll re-rack our weights because we're not savages. Even though half the time I do leave these weights just straggling, hanging wherever. Wait a second. I'm missing. Where I put? Oh, they're right there on the ground. How's it going, Leo? Okay. Beautiful. We are finished with the workout. I'm going to do a quick flex for the camera because for whatever reason, not for whatever reason, that's mean. People like seeing this stuff, and it's just proof for anyone who criticizes me and says I don't lift or don't look like I lift. And here you go for whoever wants it. Definitely not shredded by any means, but I don't compete for just physique. I compete to be athletic. I do Olympic lifts. I ice skate. I play recreational hockey and basketball. Do a lot of stuff. And when you're in those sports, usually being the leanest, super lean, like a bodybuilder, isn't the most advantageous. So here you go. I don't flex normally, so I'm just kind of going. I'm pretty decent for I think I'm like 170 pounds right now. I haven't weighed. I think I'm about 170 pounds right now. I haven't weighed myself in a long time. Long time. It's been about a month. About 5'11". Lifting since 2012, 2013. We'll just say 10 years to make it easy on y'all. 10 years and always evolving, always changing, and love y'all. Once again, super chats. Those help me greatly. Those are chats down in the comments that you can actually do to basically pay me. I don't get all the money. YouTube gets a portion of it, but it does. I think like 60% goes to me. So any little bit helps me. Love you guys. Peace.